Alright, I just watched a YouTube video from All I Talk is Tech, and apparently what he found out is that the reason that you can't install any tweaked apps right now, because I use all of these stores. He had mentioned App Valley, Ignition, but I use all of these. Tweakbox doesn't even come up. Vistins at the Siri Shortcut store. Um, these, and if you're wondering why I have two Cydias, it's because they have a little different, like this one when it has sources, and this one has manage. And basically what the difference is one I downloaded offline and one I downloaded from Z Jailbreak. And, so I use all of these stores. The Cilio's just a demo. And supposedly, what All I Talk is Tech found out is one person was submitting his apps to Apple. And this one you can install from tweeked. And but they're not the standard plus apps. So anyway, they weren't signing his apps, and he got upset and started downloading all the tweaked apps from all the stores and screenshotting the images of the certificates and reporting them to Apple, and basically we're trying to, like, if I can't get my app signed, nobody's going to get their app signed. So because he can't have his app signed, we can't install, say, like Spotify plus. That's just one that I always use. And like if you go to App Valley, see right here on this side, that's where it should say get, so you can download, but it doesn't even say get there. So one person has successfully ruined tweaked apps for the moment, and that's why you can't install any of them.